welcome to Green Patch on Terrace. Today we are going to show you our garden tour.
Okay, let's start with carrots. Just see, we have lots of carrots coming up. See here, you can see, okay, lots and lots of carrots are coming up. Maybe another 1 month it will be ready. Okay, this is our carrot container. So here we have tomatoes. This is a volunteer, we didn't plant it, it just came up actually. And this is a pomegranate, this is also a volunteer. We planted this bitter gourd, and we have planted around 6-7 bitter gourds, but only one survived. And yeah, we have sorrel leaf here. And next is radish. So we have 1 or 2 radishes getting ready in another 4 days. This is the other batch of radish. I think some virus or something we have to take care. And this is old ones. This is almost ready in another a month. These are all again radish saplings. Here around 4-5. Yeah, these are all sunflower marigold flowers. And this is actually cluster beans. It's actually gone. We have to put new varieties, new saplings. And this is bottle gourd. So we had some 2 female flowers, but I think this is gone. I don't know the reason. And one more is coming up here, and we have few male flowers there. Yeah, this is custard apple. This is also an volunteer. Okay, and this is cowpeas sapling. It's growing. We have 2-3 more on the other side of the garden. We'll show that. These are also marigolds, so we have to plant new ones. Rain lilies. This is a Malabar spinach, purple Malabar spinach. And these are ridge gourds. These are not growing healthy, but it's growing. We have to see how far it will survive. Okay, and we have cherry tomatoes in the same grow bag. Lots and lot of cherry tomatoes. Yeah, we have here one bunch. Here, see, here lots are coming up here, and then there. So many are there. So many flowers also are there. Okay, and here in this we have some mint and green Malabar spinach growing now. And this is also a custard apple. These are all volunteers. All fruit plants are volunteers. We haven't planted. Okay, this is coriander, almost 4 days or 5 days old. Not yet. Slowly some little saplings are coming up, so we have to wait how it grows. And these are palak, is also coming up. So these are already, we have harvested twice in this bag, and third batch is getting ready. Some potato saplings are there in this. And this is also some methi leaves and sorrel. And these are all methi planted by my daughter. It's growing up. Okay, these are all curry leaf plants. We have two or three saplings coming up. I have to remove 1 or 2 so that the other ones will grow strong. Okay, and these are beans. Again, bitter gourd. It's still growing. It's a very small one. These are all carrots coming up. This is again Malabar spinach, green, which is a volunteer. Just came in compost. These are all cherry tomato saplings. This we haven't planted yet. We put some coriander seeds, but it didn't grow. We have to see. This is again a marigold. And these are all, I don't know in English, but some variety of beans, I guess. Cherry tomatoes again. Here is a old plant. It's almost, it's getting over. Yeah. On this side, this is sorrel leaf, and this is okra, and this is again pomegranate. There one custard apple, volunteer again. This is an okra sapling, and I don't know the name of this in English. I have to see, that we'll do later. These are all pigeon peas, I guess, pigeon pea plants. Okay. This is hibiscus. See the flower. Short. Oh, sorry. Okay. Vijgada, some melon. I don't know what is this. Okay. Okay. These are some melon variety or rich gourd. I'm not sure. We have to see this. It's growing. If you know, someone knows, please tell me
In the comments.
in the comments. Here one more female. It's like growing. So only 2-3 female flowers. All are turning into fruits or vegetables, whatever. These are all so many male flowers here. So many are there. Okay. And here this is again a volunteer tomato one. This is actually a compost bucket which I used for this. So again a volunteer tomato plant came from here. We didn't plant it. It just came from this hole which was made actually for compost. So here it is in the flowering stage. These are cowpeas saplings we planted around a week back. Yeah, it's almost settled. It survived the transplant shock, I guess. So it is surviving. And this is a tomato volunteer we have planted here itself. Yesterday I got this eggplant sapling, white one, from one of the known person. We have to see how it grows. So these are all adeniums, I guess. All this red color. These are all brinjal eggplant saplings. We don't know what to do with this. It's not growing. We have to see. Either we have this. My daughter thought some beans and she has planted this. So it all came out and we found it's all eggplant saplings. We have to see what to do with this. Down we have some place. We will see whether we can plant there. These are all also eggplant saplings. Here we have sorrel leaves also somewhere. Yeah, one sorrel leaf. Yeah, this is only sorrel leaf and rest all. This sorrel leaf is a volunteer actually. I don't know what is this. It's either pepper or bell pepper or normal hot pepper. We don't know. We are thinking it's a bell pepper. We have to see. This is normal pepper, hot pepper. Chilies. It's growing. Yeah, this we want to make it as a tomato, full of tomato plants, grow bags, but we don't know, like some sorrel leaves also included in this. Most of them are tomatoes, either cherry tomatoes or big ones. See here the cherry tomatoes are again becoming red. So we have here bunch of tomatoes growing. Okay, so lots of flowering also happening. Here this also cherry tomatoes. See the tomatoes. Here also lot of green tomatoes. These are big tomatoes. It's like growing now. Here lot of tomatoes. We have 2 or 3 plants that side of the garden as well. Tomatoes, big ones. These are all sorrel leaf flowers. These are eggplants we have transplanted. This also a week back. It's little dull, we have to see. And these are all weeds that we have to remove. And this is again a pepper chili plant. We have to see. These are all which I transplanted last week. All 4 eggplants and some maize or some corn also we have put, right. One came out. We have to see whether any other corn will come. This is again pomegranate, which is a volunteer and is growing nicely. These are all potatoes. This whole batch is taken care by my daughter, and this also potato flowers are coming up. This is my daughter's grow bags, all these 3. Okay, that one will come. This one is all okra, because we had very little, like 5 okra plants last time. So we just thought, let's put another. I have planted around 20 seeds. I have put 20 seeds, but only 10 has come. Around 10 saplings has come. Again, it's cherry tomatoes. And then these are kind of beans. We harvested yesterday only, so I don't think so anything is there here. Yeah, you see here, this is an avocado seed which we bought from store, and we just sowed it here. It's coming up nicely. It's growing. Close up, show it close up. See, I think it will grow. We will transplant it after a few days. So here we have put beetroot seedlings, but nothing has come. Those are weeds. We have to remove. So you have to see. And these are all again this and all okra. We have harvested yesterday, no? So only 1 or 2 are there. This is coriander. See this only. No. So tomorrow I will harvest freshly. So this is only one coriander plant. See the stem, how thick it is. So I just left it. Every day we can harvest little. So, and here some mint is there in this. Actually this we have planted in this as a trial. Now I have to get a bigger tub, and I have to plant lot of stems are there. This is guava. Again it's a volunteer. And these are all beans, broad beans, or I have to see which one. This is bottle gourd. So today only we have prepared this. So we have given the support. This is the bottle gourd plant or rich gourd. I have to see this. This whole row is eggplants, old ones. Okay, from here to there, and in between some spring onions are there. Yeah, this is. We had some eggplants. This brinjal's coming up, so lots of flowering is also happening. So I have to take care of this plant. Lots of flowering is there. And here also I have seen one more. Yeah, this also one more brinjal is coming up. This is spring onions. Last time we harvested spring onions, right? If you have seen the last video, these are one more batch here, and one more grow bag also. We will harvest in another 1 month's time. We just left it for spring onions to take. And these are all eggplants. So here also we have one brinjal. It's growing. Yeah. These are all some kind of beans. Come here. Come this way. Yeah. In this bucket we have 2 tomato plants. See the tomatoes here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, around 25 tomatoes are there in one plant. And this is one more. We have just coming up. Some 4, 5 are there. So we have one more there. See here. So we have one more. Big tomatoes. It's coming up nicely. We have some cowpeas saplings in this as well, some 2. So we have overall 5 saplings of cowpeas. So we have to wait and see how it grows. We have one there. This is aloe vera. So it's a very old plant. So it's there. We are not using anything. This is some weed we have to remove. That's okay. So now this methi we have taken a video, and we will be showing it step by step process in upcoming videos. It's growing nicely. Yeah, thank you for watching.